Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Tutor. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the font size in the Facebook app on your mobile device. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app and take a quick look at the current font size. If the text appears too small or too large, don't worry, we'll show you how to adjust it easily. Now, exit the Facebook app and open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down again and select Per App Settings. This option allows you to customize accessibility features for individual apps. Tap on Add App, then scroll through the list and select Facebook. Once added, tap on Facebook again under the list of apps. Now choose the option labeled Larger Text. Here, you can adjust the font size by using the slider. Set it to the size that's most comfortable for you. When you're done, reopen the Facebook app, and you'll see that the font size has been updated. And that's it, you've successfully changed the font size in Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tutor for more practical tech tips. Thanks for watching.